Nice chunky bit. Old, hard birch. Let's see how she fares. Go straight through the knot. Oh, that's a beast. Honestly, when I first heard about clutches going into these, I was really sceptical that it might just be another thing to go wrong. But the difference between that and the 540i is mad. That is so powerful. This is a 16-inch bar and it is just ripping. We've got the clutch to go once, but we went straight through that knot. And unlike the other one where you have to sort of start, a lot of the time you have to pull it out, start again. You just click the trigger, it just goes, like instant. This is awesome. Yeah, petrol is gone.